All right, I got 2 o'clock here, so we'll get things going. This is Jacob Zarang over here at the National Weather Service office, giving you your weekly briefing this week. So let's just get right on into it. Let's see. So just a little bit of an overview. We currently have a cold weather advisory in effect for tonight and tomorrow morning, and we're seeing some of those hard freeze conditions along and north of I-12. I know we don't issue those anymore, but we are expecting, those what we used to have hard freeze conditions north of I-12. Rain chances are expected to increase on Sunday with another system, but heavy rainfall and severe weather is not a concern. It should be mainly light on Sunday, all day Sunday pretty much. And then long range, getting outside of this this weekly outlook, long range pattern does suggest multiple rounds of rain getting into Mardi Gras. So we'll kind of talk about that later. This is a 7-day threat outlook. Main concern in the short term is the cold temperatures and freeze. Tonight will be the coldest of the next few nights, with that hard freeze conditions along and north of I-12, and also the cold weather advisory I mentioned earlier. That's why the excessive cold is in the enhanced. If it were a moderate high, we would have the excessive cold warning, but we don't. So we just have the advisory. And speaking of advisories, this is what it looks like. It's for the whole area pretty much, and it's for the wind chills to be in the 15 to 25 degree range. So it'll be quite cold. Of course, take care of people, plants, pets, and of course pipes, especially along and north of I-12. And then also you see the parts of the Pearl River and up Red River landings and minor flood right now. So we do have those flood warnings out as well. So this is what it looks like in the next 5 days. Steady warming trend with the highest rain chances on Sunday. Again, severe weather, heavy rainfall, not as much of a concern, as it mainly looks to be light, what we call stratiform rain on Sunday before warming up Monday and Tuesday across the whole area. So getting beyond this week, this is a CPC outlook. We're expecting pretty much near to maybe slightly below normal temperatures outside of this week, getting into closer into Mardi Gras. So really nothing too crazy there. Again, near average and maybe slightly below normal. But in terms of rainfall, we are looking at multiple rounds of rain possibly. Of course, this far out, it's really tough to nail down exactly when, exactly where, exactly how much. But we are generally getting an idea that we are going to be above normal in the precipitation category. So that's something to watch out for as we get closer to Mardi Gras with all the events going on and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. To recap everything, we have the cold weather advisory in effect for tonight for those 15 to 25 degree wind chills, with those hard freeze conditions along and north of I-12. Again, rain chances increase on Sunday, but there's really no concerns with that in terms of heavy rainfall or severe weather, with it being expected to be light rain. And then long range pattern suggests multiple rounds of rain outside of this week, heading into Mardi Gras with average to maybe slightly below average temperatures. So that's all I got for y'all. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I appreciate it.